Roller oil heating transfer machine. Intelligent digital panel, precise control of temperature and time. Automatic shutdown function, automatic shutdown below 90 degrees. Strong engine, low noise, improving the comfort of the working environment. Teflon roller, the surface of the roller is sprayed with Teflon layer not easy to adhere. Rack drive, less smoke, more durable and stable. Manual separate device in case of power cut, increase security. Operation demo. First, into blanket. Release the emergency stop button. Start the machine. Set temperature. Set speed. Load tissue paper. Load sublimation paper. Get tissue paper into drum. Take up tissue paper. Adjust tension of tissue paper. Put sublimation paper. Put fabric. Feeding fabrics and paper after temperature reach setting. Take up waste sublimation paper. Sublimation result.